everybody to a minute in the boardroom. Obviously, I'm in the boardroom of our company where I'm one of the directors. And the reason for these videos, we wanted to share the tips, strategies that can take your career from here to here or help your business go from here to here. It's things that I've learned over probably the last 18 years being in business. Now, the one thing I want to share today is ideas. The words is ideas. If you're in a career, if you can be the guy or the girl that brings your company ideas, I guarantee you'll always rise to the top. Because the iPad that you're watching this, the phone that you've got, the laptop that you've got, the car that you drive, all started from ideas. Companies that want to progress have to have new ideas. It's ideas that move you forward. It's the ideas that generates the income. It's the ideas that lets you go against your competitor or come into a new market or compete in a new market or even an old market and disrupt an industry because of a new idea. Richard Branson is known for this. He will see a market and he will have an idea of how he can disrupt it. And that's what's made him successful. It's our ideas, and every one of us, every single employee, every single person that you know has ideas, but some of you are not communicating on them. So if you want to be successful, if you want to go to the next level, be the person who's always generating ideas. Does that mean that every idea that you have is always going to be the killer one? No. But if you don't throw out any ideas, you'll never get the killer one. So it may be that you have 20 ideas, but it's number 19 that was the successful one, but all 18 before that were total rubbish, okay, to use for one of a better phrase. But look, don't be afraid to throw out the ideas. It's the guy or the girl who throws out the ideas who sooner or later will give you that one that takes your company from here to here or takes their career from here to here. So the word for this week is ideas. Listen, go out there and make it happen. Be all that you can be and to make your company all that it can be too. See you later. Bye-bye.